Hey there, home chefs! If you're craving a hearty, delicious lasagna, but dread the long process, I've got the perfect solution for you. Today, I'm walking you through a simplified lasagna recipe that's not only easy, but packed with flavor. First things first. Let's gather our ingredients. You'll need a medium yellow onion, a tablespoon of olive oil, a pound of lean ground beef, kosher salt, black pepper, a jar of high-quality marinara sauce. Rao's or Newman's Own are great choices. 12 ounces of shredded, low-moisture mozzarella cheese, 15 dry lasagna noodles, and some whole milk ricotta. Now let's get cooking. Start by preheating your oven to 400 Fahrenheit. In a large skillet over medium heat, add your olive oil and finely diced onion. Sauté until the onion is soft and translucent. Next, toss in your ground beef. Season with half a teaspoon of kosher salt and a quarter teaspoon of black pepper. Brown the beef, breaking it up as it cooks. Once it's fully cooked, stir in your jar of marinara sauce and let it simmer for a few minutes. This is going to be the heart of our lasagna. Now let's talk about layering. In a 9x13-inch baking dish, spread a thin layer of your meat sauce to prevent sticking. Place a layer of dry lasagna noodles over the sauce. Don't worry about pre-boiling, they'll cook in the oven. Add dollops of ricotta cheese on top of the noodles, spreading it evenly. Follow with a generous handful of shredded mozzarella. Repeat these layers, sauce, noodles, ricotta, mozzarella, until you run out of ingredients or reach the top of your dish. Finish with a final layer of sauce, ensuring all the noodles are well submerged. Cover the dish tightly with foil, pop it in the preheated oven and bake for about an hour. Check the noodles for doneness. They should be tender when you poke them with a fork. If they're ready, remove the foil, sprinkle the remaining mozzarella on top, and bake uncovered until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Here's a pro tip. Once it's out of the oven, let your lasagna rest for about 15 minutes. This helps it set and makes slicing a whole lot easier. If you're prepping ahead, you can assemble the lasagna up to 2 days in advance and refrigerate it, or freeze it for up to a month. Just be sure to thaw it in the fridge for a couple of days before baking. And there you have it, folks, a simple, no-fuss lasagna that's perfect for any night of the week. Enjoy your lasagna. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.